Good morning, students. We all discuss chapter 8 PowerPoint. Starting PowerPoint. We start MS PowerPoint by following these steps. First, click the Start button. Second, click the All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint. A new presentation V1 site appears on the screen as shown in figure 8.1 on next page. To create a new presentation, we are already using MS Word. We follow these steps. First, click the Microsoft Office button. Second, click New button. The new presentation dialog box appears as shown in figure 8.3. Figure 8.3. The new presentation dialog box appears as shown in 8.3. Blank presentation is selected by default. Click on Create button, which will create a new presentation. A blank slide appears in a new presentation that has the name Personal, as you can see in figure 4.8.4. 8.4. A blank slide appears in a new presentation. We can give any name to our presentation. The MS PowerPoint presentation gets the extends PPTX by default. Let us the PowerPoint window. The PowerPoint window looks like this. The ribbon. The ribbon. A ribbon is located on the PowerPoint window from left to right. Commonly used features are displayed on the ribbon. Is groups like font group, paragraph group, and so on. We can view additional features within each group by clicking the arrow at the bottom right corner of each group. Figure 8.5, like this. Right corner, click, then paragraph.
Ma'am,
Paragraph.
मैम मैम धुंधला धुंधला आ रहा है.
Ananya Singh. Then drawing. Click here to see more features. क्लियर आ रहा है अनन्या?
यस मैम, आने लगा।
ओके। Microsoft Office button in the upper left corner. इधर साइड में बोर्ड दिख रहा है आपको?
यस मैम।
Microsoft Office button.
मैम मैम ऊपर का नहीं दिख रहा है।
ओके ओके। अभी दिख रहा है ना?
यस मैम।
In the upper left corner, Microsoft Office button in the upper left corner. Save as. Microsoft Office button in the upper left corner of the PowerPoint window. Is this Microsoft Office button the Microsoft in this Microsoft Office button? This is a Microsoft Office button. The Microsoft Office button let us create a new presentation, open an existing presentation, save a presentation, close a presentation, etc. Quick access toolbar. Second topic is quick access. Quick access toolbar. save, undo, redo. This is a quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is placed next to the Microsoft Office button. It contains commands that we may want to the frequently. By default, it has buttons for the common taskbar of save, undo, and redo. We can add other tools such as open, new, etc. to this bar as per our choice. We can place the quick access toolbar above or below the ribbon. To change the location of the quick access toolbar, we click on the arrow at the end of the toolbar and click show the ribbon. The title bar. Next topic is the title bar. This is a title bar. There are 7 main tabs. There are 7 main tabs. First, home. Second, insert. Third, position. Fourth, animation. Fifth, slideshow. Sixth, review. And seven, view. Review and next, view. There are 7 main tabs. First, home, insert, design, animation, slideshow, review, and view. That are located at the top of the PowerPoint window. Next, the text pane. On the left side of the window, a text pane is present with slides and outline tabs. View buttons on the bottom right area of the screen. On the bottom right area of the screen, the buttons for different views and present. They allow us to view our presentation in different ways. We can view the slides as normal slides, notes page, slideshow, and outline view. We can see the structures of the presentation using the outline view. Slide sorter view displays smaller images of all these slides at a time. In slideshow view, each slide of presentation can be seen on full screen, one after another. Zoom tool. Zoom tool. In the bottom right area of PowerPoint window. In the bottom यहाँ से जूम को बढ़ा सकते हैं एंड घटा सकते हैं. Increase and decrease. In the bottom area of PowerPoint window, zoom tool is present. It helps us zoom the view of the slide. Some presentations are indeed very engaging. What makes a presentation really interesting? Discuss at the latest 5 points with your partner. Typing text in the placeholder on the slide. We can see two placeholders. We can see two placeholders. How many placeholders we see? In presentation, we can see two placeholders in the slideshow. To type text, you click inside the placeholder. The placeholder text disappears and his interest point appears and we type next. We click outside the placeholder when we have typed the text. Placing text box on the slide. To insert a text box on a slide, we follow this step. First, click the Insert tab on the right ribbon. Second, click the text box. Then click and drag and the cursor until the text box is of the desired size. To move the text box, we follow these steps. First, we click the text box, the cursor becomes across the arrows on each end. Second, while holding that left mouse button, drag the next box to desired location on the page. Release the mouse button. Releasing a text box. To resize a text box, we follow this step. First, select the text box. Second, position the pointer over the four square handles on the text boxes corners until the pointer become a diagonal to directional arrow. The click and drag the border to resize the box. Formatting text. To format the text using font size, we follow these steps. अगर हमें अपने टेक्स्ट को फॉलो करना है तो यूजिंग दिस स्टेप्स, फर्स्ट select the text you wish to modify. Second, to change font size, we click the drop down and arrow next to the font size box. The font size appear. We click the font size that we wish to use. The font size changes in the document. First step is select the text that to be formatted. Click the bold, italic or underline button in the font group of the ribbon. First, filling background with color. To fill the background of a slide with a color of our choice, we follow these steps. First step is right click on the slide. A shortcut menu appears as show figure 8.16. Figure 8.16. This is second step. Choose format background. Format background dialog box appears as show figure 8.17. To add a new slide in a presentation, we click on slide, new slide in the slides group on the home tabs. First step, select the text, click the drop down arrow next to the bullets in the paragraph groups of home tab. A menu of bullet position appears as shown in figure 8.19. To create a numbered list, अगर हमें numbered list create करना है, so we select the text and then click the drop down arrow next to the numbering in the paragraph group on the home tab and choose a numbering option. Save a presentation. To save a presentation, we follow these steps. First step is click on the office button. Second, click on save button. The save as window appears. First step is click on office button. Second, click on save button. Third, choose the location where we want to save the presentation. Fourth, in the file name box, type a file name for the presentation. Fifth, click save. Viewing presentation at any time. During the creation of your PowerPoint presentation, we can run it to see a preview. This shows as how our presentation will look when we run it for real. There are several ways to start the presentation. First, click slideshow in the ribbon. In the group start slideshow, choose from beginning or from current slide. Choose the most appropriate way to run your slide. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Click here to set the slideshow. We can choose for beginning to start the slideshow from the first slide. ऋषि राज, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? अनन्या, आपको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
आप क्लास में हो? अनन्या, आप क्लास में हो?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. सेकेंड स्टेप है क्लिक ऑन द स्लाइड शो बटन एट द बॉटम ऑफ PowerPoint विंडो नेक्स्ट टू द जूम टूल. Zoom tool, slideshow button. This is a zoom tool. Figure 8.22. बुक में देखिए फिगर 8.22 स्लाइड शो बटन. Press F5. This displays the slideshow on full speed. We use the arrow key, page up and page down, space bar and enter key to move the slide in slideshow view. To end the slideshow, we press the ESC key. To exit PowerPoint, if we want to pick working in PowerPoint, click Office button and then click Exit PowerPoint from the menu that appears. Click here to exit. If you try to exit PowerPoint without saving to change that we save, but we are promoted to save them with the following messages. कुछ क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस कर लिया अनन्या.
मैम.
क्वेश्चंस कुछ डिस्कस कर ले.
ओके मैम.
First question is choose the correct answer. Which company developed PowerPoint? Answer this question. Which company developed PowerPoint?
मैम Microsoft.
Good. Is Microsoft. Which extents does a PowerPoint file get by default?
मैम A.
PPTX. Right answer is PPTX. What is a single page in a presentation called?
मैम Slide.
Slide. Good. After creating a presentation you want to run, it will use slideshow, insert, run, open.
मैम Run.
Slideshow. Right answer is slideshow.
ओके मैम.
How can you stop a slideshow that is giving on? Press Shift key, press PG, DN key, press C key, press ESC key. Right answer is press Shift key. Fill in the blanks. Next exercise. Fill in the blanks. First question, a series of slides displayed in sequence is called a. Answer this question. A series of slides displayed in sequence is called a. Right answer is slideshow. अनन्या आंसर करिए. We use the command to save presentation. Save as a slide to entire screen in the slideshow. To cancel a slideshow, we press the To start the slideshow with the first slide, we choose Ribbon tab. That bar displayed the name of the presentation on which we are currently working. Title. Right answer is title. Answer of the following question. What is the presentation graphic software used for? Ananya, answer this question. What is the presentation graphic software used for? Mihir? What is the presentation graphic software used for? Answer करिए. Rishi Raj, answer करो. What is the presentation graphic software used for? A presentation is a collection of electronic slides that can have text, pictures, sound, and video that is shown to an audience. A page in a presentation is called a slide. What is the presentation graphic software used for? A presentation is a collection of electronic slides that can have text, pictures, sound, and video that is delivered to an audience. There are many presentation software that can be used to create presentation. For example, MS PowerPoint, OpenOffice, or Lotus Freelance, etc. MS PowerPoint
मैम
is a
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगी अनन्या. यूनिट सेकंड का पेपर आपका 20 से स्टार्ट है, पता है ना सभी को.
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही.
यूनिट सेकंड का पेपर आपका कब से है, पता है? चैप्टर पता है ना सभी को यूनिट सेकंड का? सिक्स सेवन एट चैप्टर पता है ना? 6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8.
तारीख को मैम पेपर.
हाँ, और कंप्यूटर का कब है? 24 को. पता है ना मीर?
यस मैम. मैम 6, 7, 8 ना.
हाँ, 6, 7, 8. तुमने बुक ले ली? मिहिर बुक ले ली है?
मैम
तुमने बुक ले ली है मिहिर?
मैम
नहीं.
मैम नहीं ली है.
अच्छा, अनन्या Ananya, answer this question. Which color does the turtle use to draw on screen? Which color does the turtle use to draw on the screen? Answer करिए. Right answer is green. Which company developed PowerPoint? Right answer is Microsoft. Which primitive is used to change the color of the turtle's pen? Right answer is the set pen color or the set PC primitive. Different between the following pairs: PU and PD primitive. PU left the pen from the screen so that moving the turtle doesn't draw a line. PD puts the pen down so that moving the turtle draw a line. Time is over. Okay, class over हो गई आपकी.